Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to see Unit 2 Supplementary Reader. The topic is The Farmer and His Daughters. In the village of Manipuram, there lived a wealthy farmer. He had 3 daughters. All his daughters were married and living their life very happily. The farmer was getting old. He wanted to distribute his wealth to his daughters, but he wanted to know what responsibility he could give to each of his daughters. So he called all his daughters and gave each of them a bag of millet. He asked them to use the grains in the best way, if possible, and then come back to him after 1 year. So, in one village name is Manipuram, there lived a wealthy farmer. He had 3 daughters. So, all the 3 daughters were married and living their life very happily. So, the farmer was very old, getting very old. He wanted to give his wealth to his daughters, but he wanted to know that whose responsibility he could take care of the wealth. So he called all his daughters and gave each of them a bag of millet. He asked them to use the millet in the best way, if possible, and then come back to him after 1 year. So after 1 year, the daughters come back to their farmer's house, that means father's house. The farmer welcomed all of them. First, he called the elder daughter and he asked about what she had done with the grains given to her. She replied, "Father, I fed those grains to block of birds that I saw on my way back to home." Then the father called the second daughter and asked the same question. She replied, "Father, I thought those grains were scarce, so I mixed those with other grains kept for community food service, so that everyone could have it." So after that, the farmer asked the third daughter came. The father asked her about the grains. She said, "Father, I don't have those grains with me now. I need to bullock and men to get the grains." Then she said, so father was very confused and asked her, "Why do you need bullocks and men to bring the, what is it, grains here?" Then the daughter smiled. The third daughter smiled and replied, "I sowed those grains and now it has grown as crops. So I need a bullock cart and men to harvest and bring back to the grains." So the father was very happy to know that she used the grains usefully or wisely. So father found her above and gave her the responsibility of the fields. He distributed his other wealth equally among the other 2 daughters. So this is the story, children. You all enjoy the story? See, in this story, a farmer is there. He lived in one village, Manipuram. That farmer has 3 daughters. Then they lived very happily. And then he called all his daughters. He gave some grains to all the 3 daughters. After 1 year, he called them Then he asked what they did in the grains. Then each daughter, so the elder daughter told, I fed those grains to flock of birds. And then second daughter told, I thought those grains were sacred, so I kept it very safely. And then the last daughter, third daughter came and told, Father, I don't have those grains now. I need to bullock and mane to get the grains. That means she sowed the grains and now it has grown as crops. So that's why she needed a bullock cart and mane to harvest and bring back the grains. So this is the story, children. Do you all understand this? Okay, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.